Hey son, it's your dad. Out here in the woods this morning, just get done work midnights, and of course you're not home still. Thought I would dress for this occasion. Be in the woods and all. There's my nice wolf shirt. So the reason I'm out here in the woods is because I've been doing a lot of snooping, of course, through your stuff. And I don't think you take me serious. I said I would phone the cops on you before, and I have. And when I said if I find anything else, especially on Facebook, that I was going to do something, and I meant it. So hopefully all the viewers find this entertaining, as I wish I could actually say it was entertaining, but you've put us through enough grief. Headache. I can't even begin, like, I don't know where to start. But time for the show. So with that being said, let's take a look what we got here. Cell phone. What do you think about that? Not much left of it. Let's see what else we got. Well, what do you know? I did find something else. This really sucks too, because I bought this for you for Christmas. Kind of breaks my heart. I went through a lot to get these for you, but tablet computer. Looks about right. That really hurt, actually, to see that go. They are pretty nice, and everybody seems to enjoy theirs except for you, because you like to be on Facebook and stuff, talking crap with your friends and stuff. So, see what else we got. Found something else in their room full of tricks there, amongst all the other stuff I found in there. Laptop. Get it just right. I tried to leave the Facebook page up where you were talking with your friend Tyler. The wonderful conversations you had that you probably didn't think I would find out, but your battery's really dead, so it went dead on me, or else I would have zoomed in to let everybody read what it said. But nevertheless, laptop. What do you think, son? Think I could find anything else that could use this? Think you're going to take me serious now? Let's see what else we got. By the way, when you do get home, I'll leave this on your bed so you can take a good hard look at it. You're gonna love this one. What? PlayStation 3. What do you think? Should we give her a go? You know what? I'm gonna spare this one. One more mess up, and there's going to be a part 2 to this video. This is the thing that's going next. You got it? So you better smarten up.